DJI appears to be preparing something extraordinary with its rumored DJI Avata 360, signaling a shift in how the company approaches FPV drones and creator-focused aerial tools. According to multiple insider leaks, this next-generation drone isn't about pure speed, racing, or freestyle tricks. Instead, DJI seems to be prioritizing versatility, image quality, and post-production flexibility, marking a potential turning point for the FPV segment. The DJI Avata 360 is shaping up as a hybrid platform designed for content creators, filmmakers, and vloggers who want immersive aerial storytelling without sacrificing convenience or safety. At the heart of the DJI Avata 360 are its rumored dual 1-inch sensors. Sensor size is a critical factor in drone photography and videography, directly impacting light sensitivity, dynamic range, and overall image fidelity. While a single 1-inch sensor already offers impressive performance in challenging lighting conditions, the potential integration of two sensors for full 360-degree capture could redefine expectations. This configuration could deliver cleaner shadows, more controlled highlights, and superior low-light performance, elevating the DJI Avata 360 above traditional FPV platforms and closer to professional-grade imaging drones. Equally impressive are the rumored video capabilities. Leaks indicate that the DJI Avata 360 might support 8K recording at 60 frames per second in full 360-degree mode. This combination of high resolution and high frame rate would provide unprecedented creative freedom. Filmmakers could capture every angle simultaneously, giving them the ability to reframe shots, simulate dynamic camera movements, or extract multiple compositions from a single flight. Instead of committing to a single framing choice while flying, content creators could focus on movement, composition, and storytelling, confident that post-production will allow them to craft the perfect shot. Transmission quality is another critical area where the DJI Avata 360 could excel. The drone is rumored to feature DJI's O4 Plus transmission system, offering a low-latency, high-fidelity live feed. Reliable transmission is essential for precise control, especially in dynamic or obstacle-rich environments. With O4 Plus, pilots may experience reduced signal interference, smoother video previews, and extended operational range. This would make the DJI Avata 360 not only easier to fly but also more practical for professional applications, where consistent live feedback is vital for framing, timing, and safety. Perhaps the most surprising detail is the potential price. Insider reports suggest a starting price of around $489 for the standalone DJI Avata 360, with bundles reaching approximately $680. If accurate, this would be remarkably competitive, especially given the drone's advanced features. Dual 1-inch sensors, 8K 360 capture, and sophisticated transmission systems typically command much higher prices. DJI's apparent strategy seems aimed at making high-end 360 aerial imaging accessible to a wider audience, including creators who may not have previously considered FPV drones due to complexity or cost. The DJI Avata 360 also appears designed with flexibility in mind. According to leaks, the drone will support both full 360-degree capture and single-lens cinematic modes. Full 360 recording allows creators to capture everything around the drone, preserving the ability to reframe and manipulate shots extensively in post-production. This mode is especially useful for fast-moving or unpredictable scenes, such as action sequences, urban explorations, or travel shoots. Single lens mode, on the other hand, lets the drone function like a traditional cinematic FPV platform, producing ready-to-use compositions straight out of the air. This dual approach could remove the need to choose between immersive 360 storytelling and conventional cinematic aerial shots, offering creators unparalleled versatility. Safety and ease of use are clearly priorities in the DJI Avata 360's rumored design. Unlike typical FPV drones, which can intimidate beginners due to their speed and lack of protective features, this model is said to include omnidirectional obstacle sensing. This would allow the drone to detect and avoid obstacles in all directions, significantly reducing the risk of collisions. Combined with integrated propeller guards, this could make flying in tighter or indoor spaces safer and more practical. For creators working in urban areas, under bridges, inside halls, or around architecture, these features could enable more creative maneuvers without the fear of damaging the drone or the environment. The implications for post-production workflows are substantial. Recording in 8K 360 gives editors a massive amount of visual data to work with. Reframing, digital panning, horizon corrections, and simulated camera tilts can all be applied without compromising final output quality, even when exporting to 4K or lower resolutions. Essentially, one flight could provide multiple usable angles and shots, reducing the need for repeat flights or additional drones. For small production teams, solo creators, or fast-paced content environments, this efficiency could be a game changer, combining time-saving convenience with creative freedom. Strategically, the DJI Avata 360 seems positioned to fill a unique niche within DJI's existing lineup. DJI dominates several market segments, from compact travel drones to professional cinema platforms, but the FPV category has traditionally skewed toward enthusiasts and racers. By creating a creator-focused, hybrid 360 drone, DJI could attract a new demographic that values cinematic flexibility and immersive storytelling. The DJI Avata 360 isn't meant to replace high-end cinema drones, nor is it strictly a performance FPV model. Instead, it bridges the gap, offering a product that can serve both immersive content capture and conventional cinematic needs. In conclusion, while DJI has yet to make an official announcement, the DJI Avata 360 has generated considerable excitement due to its rumored combination of innovative imaging, flight versatility, safety features, and affordability. If even a portion of these leaks materializes, the DJI Avata 360 may emerge as one of the most influential drones in recent years, bridging the gap between immersive 360 capture and cinematic FPV performance. For content creators, filmmakers, and FPV enthusiasts, it represents an opportunity to explore new creative horizons with a single, powerful, and versatile aerial tool.